Howdy, partner. Do you want to make a homemade tombstone graveyard with stuff you already have on hand? Well, you're in luck. We're going to show you today. First step is going to be to go into your pile of scrap wood and find something. It doesn't have to be this large. We're going to make 3 tombstones today. So we just went ahead and grabbed this old wood that we've had for years. This is 3/4 inch plywood, but it doesn't need to be this thick. It can just be whatever you've got. It's going to be out in the weather, so if it's something that's like particle board or just made out of sawdust, it might not last forever. This will last a long time. If a fresh tree lasts even longer, but it's just a fun project. So we get this here, and now we're going to start drawing how they're going to look to cut out. So we're just actually going to freehand these, because again, it doesn't matter. You don't need to be perfect, and the kids are going to love it no matter what. So we're going to do a little base, and then have this one come up. And then we're going to arch the top a little, have it come back down, and again a little base. The next one we're going to do a little different height, but that one's just going to be a straight arch. And you can go on Google and find out which ones you think look the coolest. This one's a little more ornate. Now let's get the jigsaw and start cutting. Okay, so we got these all cut out, and we didn't really even follow lines that much, just kind of freehanded it, because it really doesn't matter. But just be careful, make sure you wear your safety protection, don't hurt yourself. Here we got our scrap wood that we're all done with, and what we're going to do now is get these all decorated. You see, we put a couple of little, especially cracks and stuff, and a couple of little features in them, but that's the neat thing about this project. You can really wing it however you want. It's going to be great. Now, girls, come on over here. Which ones do you guys each want to design? You want that one? Which one do you want? Which one? And we say the third one for your sister? Okay, let me go get them some paint and let them get started on this project. You guys very excited? Yes. All right, let's go. All right, so we're going to start painting. We're going to spray them first. Now, what's neat about this, again, this is just using whatever you got on hand. So we're going to use some of this Magnolia home paint that we use to paint kitchen cabinets in another video. We have vinyl and fabric paint we use to paint cushions in another video, and then we have some old black paint that we use. So you don't need to worry about painting the bottom, because that's going to be on the ground, and you really don't need to paint both sides if you don't want to. So we're just going to kind of paint one side, get the top, and it'll look good from the street. So you guys want to help me out on this? All right, we're going to go ahead and start getting painted, and we'll bring it back around once it's all painted up. All right, once they're all painted, then we're going to take a white paint marker, and we're just going to go ahead and decorate them however we want. Mia, what are you putting on yours?
I'll be back. 18.
That's going to be pretty scary. I'll be back. I get it. Just like Izzy dead. And then Summer, you got an idea for yours yet? All right. Well, we'll keep decorating them, and then we will get them stuck into the ground and show how to do that. Give me 5. There we go. So set them in. You can just take some old stakes or whatever you have, some scrap wood. And we're going to hit these in. Nice into the ground. And these can be painted afterwards if you want. Can you put that in front? Take that, and then maybe a 1-inch screw or so. If you want to come around the back, you'll see we're just going to take this screw into the back. And there we go. Let's finish up this graveyard and see how the finished result looks. Well, we are all done, and that looks pretty spooky. What do you girls think? Yeah. Yeah, whose is the best?
Mine, actually,
Is he dead? I'll be back with the zombie rules. Oh, and written by a zombie. All right. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video. Be sure to like, comment, most importantly, subscribe for more great home how-to tips and trips. It's starting to rain on us, so we will definitely be getting inside. And happy Halloween.